Welcome to Anissa's world. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Y'all go jump for your butt, we're gonna do that. Y'all go jump.
Hey guys. So I am at Mystic Mountain. I know you haven't seen me for a while. I've been out and about, but I've decided to share this with you, so come along with me to Mystic Mountain. I'm already here anyway. On the rides on, so just stay tuned. Please do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. What I missed it all? Yeah, girl, I'll glow. So whether you know the you know, at the entry place, what you call it, to enter. Alright, so guys, remember to bring your ID, and it's $5,000 package and $7,000 package. Only $5,000 was available, and we reach inside. Come on, before something come wrong. Watch ya.
Get ready.
What? Then it not gonna look down.
No one is hearing us, don't know.
So you never stop? Watch. I said the man terrible, he wouldn't even say when you sit down. Jesus, no sir. Father God. Jesus. Jesus Christ, I want me to take up on myself. Why? I can't look down. Jesus, but I look.
Yeah, it's up.
Why?
Bumbo.
Why?
My foot.
Me mama.
Why? Me say top.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Hey, I want me to take up.
So I just stop in the ear, so.
Yeah, God Almighty, me nah look.
I swear.
She take up her bag.
You know I dropped the bag.
No. You all of them stop.
Yeah, that's why me I want how long me a tap in the ear.
Jesus Christ, I got again. Father, this not safe. I'm not telling you I'm afraid. I'm afraid, Father. Why? God. No, sir. Let me explain them somewhere. I tell me can't fix my ear. Jesus. People, this is the entrance. This is what they need to tell you. So who really afraid of heights and never really want to come here for go up on this? Prepare for go up on it for go in other place. You see what I'm there? Oh, wear sneakers. Jesus Christ. Afraid.
Yeah, it is to the right. Thank you.
Jesus Christ.
Go, my friend. Go, watch your back. To the right. To the right.
Me say, no sir, this example.
You have to go send me the information. Bobsled, is there?
You can manage that? Hear me attack. My ball right through. Oh God. My girl bring her shoes and drop and make the bag drop with her shoes. You gone on already left me? So guys, we are ready for the next ride. Guys, so I have to drive myself. They say push forward for gas and back for brake. Okay? So I'm driving and I'm handling with one hand. I'm a star. What up? We go too fast. We are going too fast. Easy, easy. Alright. Road. Angle that. Triangle that. Got Dennis. Big driver. Hey, Jamaica need me for this. What them? Red down there. Wait. Why? Why? Yeah! No, this is not bad. I don't need to try this. Why? Let me jump over bush. What you have? Alright, so me have touch through right to so now one bushy place. What just Alright. Zip line are going up this so. So we had to stop and get ourselves one of these, cause good girl bring our shoes and drop it when we're coming in on the entrance. She get afraid. We're going on the Anansi web. She done put on sneakers. Yeah. Alright, we're ready now. What up on the Anansi something? Yeah, what make? Your friend?
Yes, God. When I reach down for the next, you have to climb down for the next.
Do the easier way. And you will want to do that when you're from man, you're not eating a sing pan. So let's go.
I can't go before you.
Oh, you go on and you have to go before me. You're there in front of me. We can't go close by. Close up. So you're not extra slow. And what is this? And this is going to slow people, you know. Jesus Christ! When are they on the edge afraid? Jesus Christ, I'm afraid of height, you know. And you make me do this, you know. Goody friend. Goody at turn back. Goody at the bus step one level. Lord God. My friends man afraid like me. Alright, that's a better. Why? So on to this. You're covered. Let's go. Just step up. What I'm on the side like me, yeah? I feel more. Yeah. Uncle that. Triangle. Hold on. Over here, someone come. Oh, so we now we are going.
Well, look funny, baby, them funny.
How we are going so? Sure. Oh, me I'll go so. Me can't do that, but at all. What's that? What's that? Oh God. Oh gosh. Alright guys. I'm in the nets. Oh Jesus. You say everybody I look far away. Like That one ain't easy. That one is not so bad. But look at this one, we have to go fierce. What would they know? People! My God.
I got come off on this. I'm gonna come off. What? No,
Look boy say what? When he realized he have to go do one next part to come up. No, sir, he's stuck one place up here. Stuck. Red. Tired. Oh God, the little boy is stressed out. You know long in bed, so I'm stuck. He might cry living near water. Oh God, do they? Did they try help people? Couldn't help people more, but they have to come over. Oh God, right now me stuck up here same way. Oh God, he might cry. We're going to call somebody to help him. What the man there, where did I help you? Where man there? He can't do it a long time, he might try. Oh God. See ya, get it there. Alright, see ya there. Are you that? Oh God, him ball. Come here, video him. Right now, we stuck. I don't know where we go. We stress out. Hold on, hold on. I think this is it. I am finished. I think this is it. I am done. I'm gonna use this.
Alright, start by walking through this thing. Make it easy.
Go on.
Which one?
Tired.
Yeah, I'll go around. Yeah, do that.
Alright, meet me on this side. I'm gonna go get the little boy.
So what side I gotta go on?
Same way we are going.
Okay. Sorry. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. I'm good that. I can't manage. We give up. That's it for the day with this. This was rough. So sassy. Saucy. Got a restaurant. Hungry. Sunburn we out. Feel the breeze. So we're at the restaurant checking out the menu. This is what the menu is like. Instead of letting people like cash register, wait for somebody cash pay. Oh God. You never know, so we have to wait until we wait to Lord. One thing I must say about Mystic Mountain, I don't know if them not pay good over here, but the customer service is very, very poor. Them customer service poor, but restaurant everywhere. I must say only when it's about persons who work at the Anansi web thing. The guys them over there, them are so bad. But differently, awful. The customer service is very awful. Awful. But differently, that can't stop me from enjoying myself. Them ugly. What a little girl. Look how much she eat. No, put it over your side. Mommy can't eat. to watch the weight. Me say, then if you're afraid to walk on this, oh, you gonna go on that now. Watch ya. Look how me I walk. Me say, we can't take up things when we care about it, you see? Barefoot we are go. Oh. Jesus. What make you talk me into this, girl?
I'll see young man to take one picture. So please.
That's not my job.
That's not your.
Bye guys! We are going to go. Make sure we no sir, girl. No, I couldn't even video. This not nice. This crazy and scary. I couldn't even hold the foot. Jesus. I have to cool off to climb the stone. Nah, do it again. No, Me nah, the only thing me like about that is that me reach fast. Me come back fast. No sir, what that I want now? Them right there will kill you if your heart not strong. Oh, my God. Rock time, people. Ready to take on the rock. Why? This is what about you afraid of rock. Me don't know what on this for you afraid of. What upon that for you afraid of?
Ready to come down? Jump. Yeah.
Me now go up so far
Yeah,
to
me
jump
never
down
tell you.
now.
See there?
Good enough for her body.
You can't jump down me.
No, when you go up, you have to jump down here.
You see me jump down on the land.
And it draw.
So what if you come from so
You coming
far?
down slow. Same procedure.
Why you get a hard drop?
If you stand up, you're going to jump for your body.
But
You can't jump down this.
Yes, you
Me
can.
put them
me
fears.
now go far.
Come,
You can't video me.
yeah, man. And here, Nisi go and look at her go. And yeah, man, everybody in the picture. Girl, green and black. Go to your right. You know, see, you can't hold on upon them there. No, hey, go on up and stop, babe. You can't bring me around stuff to waste my time. Do not waste my time. Put up your left foot on the black one. Put up your left foot on the... Cock up your foot on the black one. See it there? As me say, cock up should do it. A YouTube, me don't know. She not even reached out yet, guys.
You can't jump down.
Stop telling girl about that, no, man. Go on, sis. Go. Lady, go.
Let it go.
Yeah, just jump. Just let go. Just let go.
Jump now.
Just let you make sure.
This a jump.
You are gonna jump on your body when you do that. You are gonna jump on your body when you do that. No, you are gonna jump. You have to jump from up top.
Have your esteem, your
you have to-
training.
No, but you.
Woo! But you know, somebody want to go back on this. I see him one, but anyway, this just look a bit faster. You don't know different. You did I say it different? You don't know different. The other one does swing you. Right, nice. Tip up.
Tell us one road did that we didn't can take. You see the road there?
Yeah.
You see we did up here one we go fast up there so. And it we did see underneath. So one way there we then can drive go up there.
I could never work over here because if me have to go up on this thing here every day, I feel stressed out. Every day me that have to make up my mind and tell myself that I can do this. Jesus. But we're going home. We're going home. We're gonna miss my stepmom. But don't worry, we will be coming back. We did enjoy the day. You feel like go home? I'm not so afraid now. This morning, oh God. I'm afraid bad. See the staff them and go home.
I want to work like for them. As me lock me go, I'm say me
Bye! Pretty. Go see the picture now where we are collect. Me look like Madam Man pan it. We going home. Home sweet home.
to catch you. What's going on? You think I come from what you full.